In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can allow unknown apps on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, start off on your home screen and scroll all the way over to the right and you're going to see a little settings gear right here. Go ahead and scroll down a little bit and on your settings you're going to see a My Fire TV option. Go ahead and select that to open up. If you are prompted to enter in your PIN, obviously go ahead and do that. Now if you don't see developer options yet, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is select this little About tab right here and open it up. From here, just highlight your Fire TV stick name, which mine is literally just called this right here, and essentially go ahead and press the select button about 5 to 8 times. So I'm going to do that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you'll see a message essentially confirming that developer access is now enabled. And from here, you just got to go back one screen and open up developer options. If you don't see it yet, go down to restart and hit that first. But open up developer options, select install unknown apps, and once you install an app that requests permission, you'll be able to allow or deny access in this section. But that is it. Your Fire TV stick is now ready to allow unknown apps through supported applications. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.